Dear students, we are going to discuss the topic De Moivre's theorem, objective concepts. De Moivre's theorem, objective. Using the concepts in previous class, I said that A is equal to cis alpha, B is equal to cis beta, C is equal to cis gamma. A plus B plus C equal to 0 we said, and depends upon A plus B plus C. We should discuss some concepts. Also in previous class I said that 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C is equal to 0. This one we discussed. That implies taking LCM, you can write here AB plus BC plus CA equal to 0 by ABC is equal to 0, and take cross multiplication, AB plus BC plus C is equal to 0. So AB you can write as cis alpha dot cis beta. Cis alpha into cis beta. Here this is cis beta into cis gamma plus cis gamma into cis alpha is equal to 0. Here cis alpha dot cis beta meaning cis of alpha plus beta, cis of alpha plus beta plus cis of beta plus gamma plus cis of gamma plus alpha is equal to 0 plus 0 into I. That implies cis of alpha plus beta can be written as cos of alpha plus beta plus I sin of alpha plus beta. Like this I am writing cos of alpha plus beta plus cos of beta plus gamma plus cos of gamma plus alpha, put a bracket here, plus I into sin of alpha plus beta, sin of alpha plus beta plus sin of beta plus gamma, sin of alpha plus beta plus sin of beta plus gamma plus sin of gamma plus alpha is equal to 0 plus I into 0. So compare real and imaginary parts both sides. Compare real comma imaginary parts. Compare real comma imaginary parts both sides we get. That implies real part is cos of alpha plus beta plus cos of beta plus gamma, cos of alpha plus beta plus cos of beta plus gamma plus cos of gamma plus alpha is equal to 0. This is a formula. If here cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma equal to 0 and sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma equal to 0, and you compare imaginary part, then sin of alpha plus beta plus sin of beta plus gamma plus sin of gamma plus alpha, sin of alpha plus beta plus sin of beta plus gamma plus sin of gamma plus alpha is equal to 0. In our objective material, page number, in our new material, this is old material. In our objective material, page number 13, page number 13 is there. In page number 13, 9th formula and 10th formula given cos of alpha minus beta, which is absolutely wrong. It should be in the form of cos of alpha plus beta plus cos of beta plus gamma plus cos of gamma plus alpha equal to 0, and sin of alpha plus beta plus sin of beta plus gamma plus sin of gamma plus alpha equal to 0. There you given as only minus, you change the minus symbol as plus. Minus symbol is not there. Minus symbol also we can say, I will say now. cos of alpha plus beta plus cos of beta plus gamma plus cos of gamma plus alpha. This everything is 0. And let us discuss another model sums. Let us write this is formula number 1. Now formula number 2. Formula 1 completed. Formula number 2. Cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to 0. This all formula depends upon cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to 0, and like this. Sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma is equal to 0. Sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma equal to 0. That implies here you can write as cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to minus cos gamma. Here sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to minus sin gamma. Square, let this is 1 and this is 2. Now we can write square and adding. So 1 square plus 2 square and 1 square plus 2 square can be written as cos alpha plus cos beta whole square plus sin alpha plus sin beta whole square. Cos alpha plus cos beta whole square plus sin alpha plus sin beta whole square is equal to cos square gamma plus sin square gamma. Cos square gamma plus sin square gamma, that implies expand this one, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta plus sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus 2 sin beta sin gamma. Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha cos gamma plus sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus 2 sin alpha sin gamma is equal to 1, because cos square gamma plus sin square gamma becomes 1. Now here cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equal to 1 and cos square beta plus sin square beta is equal to 1. This 1 plus 1 you can write as 2. 2 plus 2 taken common here. Within brackets you can write as cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta is equal to minus 1. That implies 2 into this is of the form cos A cos B plus sin A sin B becomes cos of R A minus B. So cos of alpha minus beta is equal to minus 1. That implies cos of alpha minus beta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Cos of alpha minus beta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Taking like this, cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to minus gamma and sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to minus sin gamma, and squaring and adding. In the similar way, if you take cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to minus cos alpha and sin beta plus sin gamma is equal to minus sin alpha, by squaring and adding, you can get a similarly, we can write similarly cos of beta minus gamma is equal to minus 1 by 2. And in the similar way, cos of gamma minus alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, add all the terms cos of alpha minus beta. So cos of alpha minus beta plus cos of beta minus gamma plus cos of gamma minus alpha is equal to minus 3 by 2 is correct. Cos of alpha minus beta plus cos of beta minus gamma plus cos of gamma minus alpha equal to 0. Even in our material it is wrong. Minus 3 by 2 is right. You search in any material, this is the right way. Next, there is no sin of alpha plus beta, because you will not get the sin A sin B formula using this one. Sin of alpha minus beta plus sin of beta minus gamma plus sin of gamma minus alpha, you will not get. Simply leave it. Plus is right. Now apart from this, this is apart from our IP material. Now apart from these formula, we can discuss a lot of formula depends upon De Morgan's theorem. Formula number 2 completed. Let us going to discuss about formula number 3. Formula number 3. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Students, here you should try to understand A is equal to 6 alpha, B is equal to 6 gamma, 6 beta, C is equal to 6 gamma. A plus B plus C is equal to That implies a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So that implies this is IP sum, most IMP 7 marks question already we have discussed. So you can write here cis 3 alpha directly I am writing because cis alpha whole cube cos alpha plus sin alpha whole cube because becomes cos 3 alpha plus sin 3 alpha using De Moivre's theorem. Cis 3 alpha plus cis 3 beta plus cis 3 gamma is equal to 3abc, meaning 3 into cis alpha into cis beta into cis gamma. You can write this one as a cis of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Comparing real and imaginary parts. Comparing first, I am writing the step like this: cos 3 alpha plus cos 3 beta plus cos 3 gamma within brackets plus I take it common, sin 3 alpha plus sin 3 beta plus sin 3 gamma. Sin 3 alpha plus sin 3 beta plus sin 3 gamma is equal to 3 into cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma plus I into 3 sin of alpha plus beta plus gamma. This is cis, means cos plus I sin. So comparing real and imaginary parts. Comparing real gamma, imaginary parts. Both sides. These are MSET questions. In MSET directly they used to give the questions whatever I am discussing as formulae. Real parts both sides. That implies you can write cos 3 alpha plus cos 3 beta plus cos 3 gamma is equal to 3 cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma. And here sin 3 alpha plus sin 3 beta plus sin 3 gamma is equal to 3 sin of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Next, formula number 4. Formula number 4 is that a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Whenever a plus b plus c is equal to 0, by squaring both sides I am writing as a plus b plus c whole square is equal to 0. That implies expand this one. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 0. That implies a square plus b square plus c square is equal to minus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 0. Minus 2 abc taken common in brackets 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. This one already we have discussed in previous class, that is 0, because 1 by a meaning cis of minus alpha, this is cis of minus beta, this is cis of minus gamma. That meaning cos alpha minus I sin alpha plus cos beta minus I sin beta plus cos gamma minus I sin gamma. So cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma within brackets minus I taken gamma, sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma. So cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma equal to 0. He used to give sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma equal to 0. That is why you can write directly that is 0. So that implies a square plus b square plus c square. A square plus b square plus c square is nothing but 0. So what is this is 0. Already in previous class we have discussed. A square plus b square plus c square meaning is cis to alpha. Cis to alpha plus cis to beta. Cis to, because cos alpha plus I sin alpha whole square according to De Moivre theorem we can write cos to alpha plus I sin to alpha. That is why this is cis to alpha plus cis to beta plus cis to gamma. Cis to alpha plus cis to beta plus cis to gamma is equal to 0. That implies 0 plus I into 0 you can write. So this one can be written as cos to alpha plus cos to beta plus cos to gamma within bracket plus I into sin to alpha. I into sin to alpha plus sin to beta plus I into I taken common sin to alpha plus sin to beta plus sin to gamma. sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 beta plus sin 2 gamma is equal to 0 plus 0 into I. Here also write compare real gamma imaginary parts. Real gamma imaginary parts both sides. That implies cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma equal to 0, comma sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 beta plus sin 2 gamma equal to 0. Sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 beta plus sin 2 gamma is equal to 0. Using this one, 2 sin alpha cos alpha plus 2 sin beta cos beta plus 2 sin gamma cos gamma equal to 0. Divide with 2, you can write sin alpha cos alpha plus sin beta cos beta plus sin gamma cos gamma equal to 0. There is no need, no use, simply leave it. For this one, use is useful formula already we have discussed and proved in IPT, cos 2 alpha. That implies using the cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma concept. Cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma is equal to 0. That implies the cos 2 alpha formula in terms of sin, this is 1 minus 2 sin square alpha plus this is 1 minus 2 sin square beta plus this is 1 minus 2 sin square gamma equal to 0. 1 plus 1 becomes 3. That implies sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma. Sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to 3 by 2. Also, in the similar way, cos 2 alpha formula 2 cos square alpha minus 1, 2 cos square alpha minus 1 plus cos 2 beta formula 2 cos square beta minus 1. This is 2 cos square gamma minus 1 is equal to 0. Taken to common, that implies 2 into cos square alpha. 2 into cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 3. Similarly, in this way we can write this one as cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 3 by 2. Of course, we have proved in IB. This is 7 marks IMP question. Apart from these formulae, we can discuss another one using a plus b plus c is equal to 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. This is formula number 4. Now formula number 5. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, that implies a cube plus b cube plus c cube. A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Now divide with 3abc. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube by abc. A cube plus b cube plus c cube by abc is equal to 3. That implies right here a cube by abc plus b cube by abc plus c cube by abc is equal to 3. That implies you can write this one as a square by bc plus b square by ca plus c square by ab is equal to 3. That implies what is a? A means is alpha, b means is beta, c means is gamma. So you can write here a square means cis to alpha. Cis to alpha by bc means cis beta dot cis gamma. So cis of beta plus gamma. Cis of beta plus gamma plus this is cis to beta whole by ca meaning cis of gamma plus alpha plus this is cis to gamma by AB meaning cis of alpha plus beta is equal to 3 plus 0 into I. That implies Formula we know that cis alpha by cis beta is equal to cis of alpha minus beta and cis of already direct hydrogen. Means in cis beta and cis gamma direct hydrogen. So cis bracket within brackets right 2 alpha minus beta minus gamma plus cis of 2 beta minus gamma minus alpha plus cis within brackets 2 gamma minus alpha minus beta is equal to 3 plus I into 0. Until that it is okay. Now compare. Cis means cos plus I sin. Compare real gamma imaginary parts. Real gamma imaginary parts both sides. So we get here cos of 2 alpha minus beta minus gamma plus cos of 2 beta minus gamma minus alpha plus cos of 2 gamma minus alpha minus beta is equal to 3. It is real part. Now the imaginary part is, that implies imaginary part sin of 2 alpha minus beta minus gamma plus sin of 2 beta minus gamma minus alpha plus sin of 2 gamma minus alpha minus beta. Sin of 2 gamma minus alpha minus beta equal to 0. These are the formulae. 3 by 2. Formula number 6. Formula number 6. If x is equal to cis theta, cis theta meaning cos theta plus I sin theta, 1 by x, its reciprocal 1 by cis theta, 1 by cis theta meaning cis of minus theta. So cis of minus theta is cos theta minus I sin. Now x plus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x I am writing. X plus 1 by x, by adding these numbers you get real number cos theta. Whenever adding two complex number you used to get real part. Whenever you are subtracting two complex number you will get complex number. X minus 1 by x is equal to 2I sin theta. Also you can write here x power n is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta according to De Moivre theorem. Cos n theta directly x power n is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta, and 1 by x power n is equal to cos n theta minus I sin n theta. Cos n theta minus I sin n theta. Now x power n plus 1 by x power n. X power n plus 1 by x power n is equal to, this is real part, 2 cos n theta. X power n minus 1 by x power n is equal to 2I sin n theta. 2I sin n theta. Next one, cos cos 2 power n alpha plus cos 2 power n beta plus cos 2 power n gamma equal to 0. And also whenever cos 2 alpha, seventh formula, if cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 gamma plus cos 2 beta, cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma equal to 0, of course we have proved. And sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 beta plus sin 2 gamma equal to 0. Just here I had written the formula. That implies you can write cos power 2 cos 2 power n, not only 2n, cos 2 power n alpha plus cos 2 power n beta plus cos 2 power n gamma, cos 2 power n alpha plus cos 2 power n beta plus cos 2 power n gamma also equal to 0 according to De Moivre theorem. And here sin 2 power n alpha plus sin 2 power n beta plus sin 2 power n gamma equal to 0. So in De Moivre theorem, rational index he given as in page number 12. Some standard results he given. I think we have discussed the standard results in IPE. A plus IB plus whole power n plus a minus IB whole power n equal to 2 into r power n cos theta. You should remember that whenever plus is there between two complex number, you used to get only real number. So cos is real, sin is imaginary. So 2r power n means 2r power n cos n theta, first formula, and 2 ir power n sin n theta like this. In the similar way, you can get the formula A is equal to r cos theta and B is equal to r sin theta. Like that you think and you get the answer. Already of course you have written r is equal to 2 times s square plus b square, theta is equal to tan inverse of modulus b minus b by a. For example, he given some examples also. I think you can do. You can understand. We discussed the sums 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta whole by 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta whole power n. In IP we have discussed 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 plus 2 cos square theta by 2 plus I into sin theta 2i sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 cos theta by 2 sin theta by 2 taken common. Maybe he given mistake. Let us verify. Sixth question we have proved. Sixth question, sixth example, page number 12. We have proved students in IPE. Now fourth formula. Let us going to discuss fourth and fifth formula. Maybe mistake or not. Page number 12 synopsis. Fourth one discuss like a formula number 8. Formula number 8. 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta whole by 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta whole power n. Let us discuss here 1 plus cos theta whole plus I sin theta as here 2 cos square theta by 2 plus this is 2i sin theta by 2 cos theta here. Here also 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 2i sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 whole power n. In numerator and denominator we can take cos theta by 2 as common. 2 cos theta by 2 taken common. This is cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2 whole by this is 2 cos theta by 2 taken common. Cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta. Cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta whole power n. 2 cos theta by 2 can cancel. Here you write like this: cis theta by 2 whole by cis of minus theta by 2 whole power n. Cis alpha by cis beta becomes cis of alpha minus beta. So cis of theta by 2 minus of minus becomes plus theta by 2 whole power n. Cis theta by 2 plus theta by 2 becomes cis theta whole power n becomes cis n. Okay, this is also useful formula. Of course, these are direct MZ bits. Now, according to binomial expansion, let us discuss the question binomial expansion. Formula number 9. If 1 plus x whole power n. If 1 plus x whole power n is equal to binomial theorem C1 C0 plus C2x plus C2 C1 C0 plus C1x plus C2x square plus C3x2 plus C4x power 4 plus so on until Cn x power n. Until Cn x power n. Now put, I think we have done the sum in IP. Put x is equal to I. 1 plus I whole power n is equal to C0 plus C1I plus C2I square, C2I square plus C3I cube plus C4I power 4 plus so on Cn I power n. According to de Broglie theorem concept, for the complex number which is in the form of x plus I by, we should convert into polar form or modulus amplitude form. To convert the polar form or modulus amplitude form, we should divide and multiply with root of x plus y square. It's a modulus. So root 2 into 1 by root 2 plus I by root 2. Whole power n is equal to C0 plus C1I. This is minus C2 because I square meaning minus 1, I cube meaning minus I, so it is minus C3I. I power 4 means plus and I power 5, this is C power 5I plus on last simply you write Cn whole power I power n. I power n. Maybe whether it is positive or negative we don't know, depends upon even and odd number it changes. Now to write here root 2 into root, this is also whole power. So 2 power n by 2, 2 power n by 2 into, right here cos n by 4 plus I sin n by 4. Cos n by 4 plus I sin n by 4 is equal to C0 plus C1I minus C2 plus C3I plus C4 plus C power like this. C5I plus so on until Cn I power. Similarly, if we put x is equal to minus I, if we put x is equal to minus I, right now root 2 into, directly I am writing 2 power n by 2 power n by 2 into cos n by 4 minus I sin n by 4. Cos n by 4 minus I sin n by 4 is equal to, substitute here minus I. So it becomes C0 minus C1I. I square meaning of course it is minus 1. Minus I whole cube becomes here I cube means minus I square into I minus 1, so it is minus 6, so plus C1I. Okay, this is plus C3I. C4 is plus minus I whole power 5, so this is minus C5. I plus 1 at last simply write here power minus I whole power. This is second equation and this is first equation. 1 plus 2. Add 1 into 2 power n by 2 into 2 cos n by 4. Whenever you are adding, you will get the real part. Then 2 into here C0, C0 plus C0. C1 and C1 get cancelled. C0 minus C2 plus C4. C3I maybe it should be minus. If you are substituting minus I here, minus I whole cube. minus 1 whole cube into I. So it is minus I cube into plus I cube meaning minus because I square into I, this is minus. Okay. C4 plus so on like this it will be. That implies divide with 2. You write here C0 minus C2 plus C4 plus C minus C6. So on is equal to 2 power n by 2 cos n by 4. C0 plus C2, C0 minus C2 plus C4 minus C6, so on. Similarly, now you can write 1 minus 2. Using 1 minus 2, 2 power n by 2 into 6, no, I mean sin n pi by 4 into 2 is equal to, this is 2 into maybe odd numbers. C1, of course this is I, okay, I get cancelled. C1 minus C3, yeah, plus C5 minus C7, like that, so on. So that implies C1 minus C3 plus C5 minus C7 plus so on is equal to 2 power n by 2 into sin n pi by 4. In mathematics M set concept, you should remember this all as a formula, and these are nothing but sums, M set bits. Now let us going to start worked example 27. Formula completed, depends upon this formula. Of course, nth roots of unity we did not discuss. In tomorrow class we can discuss nth roots of unity, sum, product, and some examples in tomorrow class. Now let us going to discuss about the sums, example sums, and depends upon the De Moivre theorem, level 1, level 2, level 3. Whatever the concept are there, the sums we can discuss now. Let us going to discuss now worked example 27. Worked example 27. If A is equal to cis to alpha, if A is equal to cis to alpha, B is equal to cis to beta, then what is the value of cos of alpha minus beta? Of course, cos meaning itself you will get real part only. Let us write A plus B. A plus B meaning cis to alpha plus cis to beta. He is asking cos of alpha minus beta. If you take root A, it becomes cos alpha. If you take root B, it becomes cos beta. I mean cis. Root A plus root B, the concept according to option. Root A by B, yeah, root he had taken, and root A by B is doing. Plus, yeah, consider, writing, consider root A. Good question. Consider root A. Root A meaning here I am writing cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Cos alpha plus I sin alpha whole square whole power 1 by 2. Root B. Root B write like this, cos to beta plus I sin to beta whole power, now root write 2 here, cos beta plus I sin beta whole square whole power 1 by 2. That implies root A is equal to cis alpha. Cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Root B is equal to cis beta. Now root A by root B. Root A by root B. Cis alpha by cis beta. That is cis of alpha minus beta, meaning cos of alpha minus beta. If we write root b by root a, root a by root b, and root b by root a, root of b by a is of course this is of beta minus alpha. Okay, now correct. Now let us write root a by b plus root b by a, that is equal to cis of alpha minus beta plus cis of beta minus alpha. Try to understand that take LCM here. This is root AB and this is A plus B is equal to, right, like this. Here this is cos of alpha minus beta plus I sin of alpha minus beta. Cos of beta minus alpha. Here cis of beta minus alpha can be written as cos of beta minus alpha plus I sin of beta minus alpha. You can write that one as cos of alpha minus beta. Of course, cos of minus theta is cos theta. That is why there is no beta minus alpha or alpha minus beta. For cos terms, it is equal minus I sin of alpha minus beta. Because beta minus alpha becomes minus of alpha minus beta, in terms of sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. That is why this one get cancelled. A plus b by 2 root ab gives cos of alpha minus beta. Note question. A minus b by 2 root ab is equal to cos of alpha minus beta. Now CUQ, let us discuss the sums which are in level 1, homework level 1, classwork like that. We can discuss depends upon the De Moivre theorem concept. CUQ 30 to 30. Level 1 classwork 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Level 1 homework 50, 51, 52. Level 2 classwork. Level 2 classwork 33, 34, 35. Level 1 homework 50, 51, 52. Level 1 classwork 33, 34, 35. Level 2 homework 30 and 35. 30 and 35. These sums are there, depends upon the De Moivre theorem concept. Fifteen sums are there. Now let us start the concept. 36. Maybe level 2 35 depends upon sum of roots of unity. Okay, let us discuss first to open CUQ page number CUQ 32 33. Let us discuss the page number 16 CUQ 30 33. Page number 16 30. Cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta by cos 3 theta. Here cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta whole cube. Here this is whole square. Total same fraction. Cos 3 theta minus cos 3 theta minus I sin 3 theta whole power 5 by cos 4 theta plus I sin 4 theta whole cube. Cos 4 theta plus I sin 4 theta whole cube is equal to dash. Now, based on cos theta plus I sin theta concept, right here this is 6 theta. Why this is 6 theta? Of course it is get cancelled. Into this is cos 15 theta. 6 of minus 15 whole by this is 6 of 12 theta. This is get cancelled. 6 alpha by 6 beta becomes 6 of alpha minus beta. Right here, this is 6 of minus 27 theta. So that is equal to cos 27 theta minus I sin 27. Cos 27 theta minus I sin 27 theta. That's all. Now 37 question. Here simply give second option. Now 1 plus cos theta. 33rd question. 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n plus 1 plus cos theta minus I sin 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n plus 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta whole power n is equal to dash. 1 plus cos theta minus I sin. That implies right here 1 plus cos theta as a formula 2 cos square theta by 2 and I sin theta as formula 2I sin theta by 2 cos sin 2I sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 whole power n plus here also you can write 2 cos square theta by 2 minus this is 2I sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 whole power n. That is equal to, take common here 2 cos square theta 2 cos theta by 2 whole power n along with whole power n. This is cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2. Of course here also you can take common total entirely can write by common method plus this is cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2 whole power n. So according to De Moivre theorem, whenever plus is there will get real part only. So right here this is 2 power n cos power n theta by 2 into 2 cos n theta by 2. Otherwise you can write 2 power n plus 1. Yeah, 2 power n plus 1 here. 2 power n plus 1 into cos power n theta by 2 into cos n theta by 2. This is the correct answer. Let us discuss level 1 class of 50th question. Yeah, level 1 class of 50, 51, 52, 53. Much sums are there. Okay, students, let us discuss the level 1 class of these all sums in next class.